out the car to beat the whip up. She just ate a nigga dick and did a hit up. Know that bitch with me. I notice when niggas don't like me, they tend to click up. Look, bitch, you can't afford this. Never heard of this, but I can show you.
Man, I got a big nose. Okay. Anyways, I told myself I'm gonna start this YouTube thing this year, and yeah, so this is a Spider-Man Crazy GA build, just because I'll show you. But today, I got this lip in the mail for GA I found, and it was fairly cheap. Don't know what it looks like. I mean, like by pictures, but I don't know how it looks on it. But if it looks good, this is a cheap front lip for GA. I feel like I think I seen something like 200. This one was like, well, less than 200. It's like 63 bucks, 67 bucks, something like that. Hey, why not? But yeah, I need to open it. Let's just go. A little mock-up. Not too bad. Couple self-tappers later. It's not too bad. It's a little flimsy. I could have pushed it in more, but I think that's perfect to me. Okay, so we're back. So we got the side skirts, extensions, DIY, full oil change for the G8. The lip already broke, like I said, but I'm gonna try to fix it because I ordered new one, but run down why the other one's getting in. So yeah, I don't know where to start. Let's paint the side skirts. I got the black. I think I'm gonna paint them on this box. So yeah. So spray it. We don't want none of those runs in it. So we'll just go like that. I'm not a professional spray painter, so don't hold me. I just spray and go. I don't know how to spray paint really good. I'm just spraying. Let that coat dry and then do it again. She got painted both sides. Got it fresh. I don't know, I keep saying that, I keep calling C. I painted the side skirts DIY extensions on both sides. Did a fresh oil change, put 9 quarts. Takes 8.8, but a little extra won't hurt, I don't think. Spilled some here on the manifold, so it's gonna smoke. Fixed the lip. It's broken still, but it's hella tight now, so I don't think the wind should pull it down. Yep. So we're gonna wait for those to dry, and then we'll be back. The little mock-up. I don't know about the back, but the front, I'm not digging. I don't know yet. It hasn't fallen on me yet. The front, these ones, just a little mock-up. Not too bad. We're gonna see though. I'm gonna jack it up and yeah, go from there because we'll see. I don't know yet. Okay, so here is the side skirt extensions. I don't know how, like I said, I don't know how I'm feeling about the back ones, but those ones full bolted up, and it's not too bad. They definitely look like extensions, like regular side skirt. I think I'm gonna order some of these for the back for how I had on the Beamer. think I'm gonna order some for this. Maybe rob those ones. Nah. Maybe. Oh yeah, side skirt extensions. Not too bad. Well, I'm gonna throw on the other side and yeah, go from there. So here's the side skirt extensions, and they're not too bad. I actually dig them. I took off the back one because I didn't really dig it that much. I took it off. Just like this side. Done. And it doesn't look too bad. Definitely needs to be washed. But yeah, I dig it. I'm gonna put it in the street. I'm gonna wash it. And then, yep. Oh, the interior. Freaking dirty. Actually, I'm gonna go clean the interior out. Then come back and wash it. Make the oil get through. And stuff like that.
If you don't get up out the car to beat the whip up, she just ate a nigga dick and did a hiccup.